Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on the screen or by pressing the upper button. And once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through this menu and look for the settings icon, and after you find it, tap on it. In settings, look for the option called sounds and vibration, and once you find it, tap on it, of course. And here we have the options. Basically we need to find the option called vibration, and we need to tap on it. And here we have vibration duration and vibration intensity. We have short and long for the duration. I'm not sure you can hear the difference, but hopefully you can. Then we have light and strong. Okay, so select the one you like, and then you can swipe right on the screen to go back. You have also the options like option to change the vibration pattern for the calls and for the notifications. And I believe you can also customize the system vibration. Basically, you can turn on and off the vibration for stuff. Okay, and then you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you that's how you change the vibration intensity on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.